With the SiriusXM tuner, the SXV300, connected to top-end Kenwood multimedia receivers, you have access to a great number of new features. You can select the tab, and then select the replay icon right here to replay up to 60 minutes of previously recorded content. You'll notice when I close this tab, you can see now a progress bar of the previously playing content. You could select the magnifying glass to select from the list of all available replayable content. We'll go ahead and select this, and now you'll see the new progress bar indicator, and then we can press play to begin that replayed content. Simply select the tab, and then select live to return to live programming. Now you'll notice that the progress indicator bar is gone, and you have returned to live SiriusXM programming.
Kenwood.